Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Amtrak guest rewards. Open the website, then click Join Now. Now, enter all the required information such as your first and last name, the password you wish to use, email, and phone number. Once entered, click on Join. Next, you have two options, either to verify your email now or verify later. In this video, I chose to verify it now, so I clicked on the Verify Now button. Click on the option you wish to select. To confirm, a verification code will be sent to the email address you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Verify Code. That's how you sign up for Amtrak guest rewards. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.